Battery-powered chainsaw or cordless chainsaw are more powerful and versatile than ever. Battery-powered chainsaws are the most convenient way to cut through trees, limbs, and branches. They provide you all the benefits of electric chainsaw without handcuffing you an outlet. Just pop in the charged battery and you're ready to start cutting. A battery chainsaw is both lightweight, nimble, well-balanced, simple to operate, and produce no fumes that makes it fantastic for pounding. If working in urban areas where noise pollution is a concern, you will be able to use the battery chainsaw throughout the days without distracting the neighbors. A battery chainsaw will make fast work of most branches while being easy to handle. Most battery chainsaws are lighter and more compact than petrol chainsaws, so reaching branches on even the thickest log is an easy task. Below, you will find out our 5 ranking for the best electric cordless chainsaw. We believe that each model on this list is a smart buy for you. Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We are a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision. If you want to get the best out of a cordless electric chainsaw, as far as the bar length, easy of use, the battery life, then Eagle Power Plus CS18000 is the best choice for you. With superior cutting power, lightning fast chain speed, and the metal barking sprigs, the chainsaw makes cuts fast and easy. It is tool-free chains tension and the bar acts as a handy rate bar show while the brake is engaged and practically no maintenance needed, making it a superb choice for chainsaw aficionados and anyone new to the chainsaw. The CS18000 has a 56-volt brushless motor giving up to 11,000 RPM. While you're cutting to the evening or in emergency, bright LED light illuminate the cut and there's no access to the light. The chainsaw provides the performance of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. The Eagle CS18000 has a novel chain tension system that is almost entirely automatic. Moreover, there's plenty of power and chain speed to cut through the harder woods, and 5.08 battery delivers a good size of fuel tank to work with. So if you're looking for a chainsaw that will work during the storm and blackouts for easy cleaning up for the fallen branches and trees, the Eagle CS18000 is the perfect choice for you. If you wish to tackle some tough job in difficult terrains without all those issues which come with the gas power saw, then Greenworks ProGCS8402 ATV chainsaw could be the solution. It is equipped with an 18-inch guide bar and chain. Plus, you should be able to get up to 150 cuts from the fully charged battery. The base is on 4x4 treated lumber. It is equipped power of 45cc gas chainsaw, and while you hold it in your hands, it has the same sturdy and solid feel of the gas chainsaw. This chainsaw has been engineered with the brushless motors and has many advantages. The brushless design contributes to its wonderful strong and long monitor life since the internal moving parts are enclosed and protected from dirt and debris. Internal overload protectors keeps the motor from the burning out. It also features steel brake perks and electric chain brakes and metal swap-around handle. Even if you need the round-out battery pack to power up fast, it takes about 30 minutes to full charge the 18-volt 2 hours of battery. Overall, this chainsaw has been created to be ideal for the home contractor who just needs to get that chainsaw out a few times per year, but also it is perfect for a professional contractor who puts their top heavier uses. Finding the ultimate low-maintenance chainsaw, the Oregon CS300 is just the ticket. One of the favorite things about the Oregon Cordless is that it screams quietly. It uses high-quality material components, adding to the material chain's housing unit and material sprockets. This means the chains will not loosen up as much as they do with the other chainsaw. The Oregon Cordless is powered by a single 40-volt battery that manufactured in-house by Oregon. In terms of runtime, the CS300 SX has a 4 amperes battery rating. In practical terms, the manufacturer indicates the battery is capable of making the 400 cuts of 2x3 branches in a single charge. Also, if you have some serious cutting, you could opt for the 6 hours battery versions. This chainsaw innovates brushless motors, provides high power and torque. It weighs just 12 pounds, and meaning that the CS300 is designed to distribute the weight evenly for easy handling. All in all, the CS300 is an occasional uses light and medium duty saw, stable for both homeowners and airboats alike. So it can be used for a whole range of tasks such as filling small and medium-sized juices, backing along, as well as clamping and pruning. The Makita XUVO3PT1 is one of the best battery-powered chainsaw you can choose from. This powerhouse is powered by an 18-volt lithium batteries. Inside this chainsaw kit, instead of 4 of such batteries, the charger, the chainsaw, and the sturdy carry case. The chainsaw features a generously sized 14-inch guide bar, and the brushless motor delivers a variable speed controls. Brushless motor is known to require little to no maintenance, as well as being highly efficient. That means you can get work done within a very short time. The motor is capable of driving the chain up to a speed of 940 feet per minute. The speed can be varied in 3 steps, which improves the cutting efficiency. For the battery-powered chainsaw, the chances of the saw getting started accidentally are quite high. To prevent any such of eventualities, this Makita saw model features a lock-off level built into the tools. Furthermore, an LED switch automatically switched off the chainsaw if idles for too long without opening. So no more delays. If you're looking for a battery-powered chainsaw, this could be your best ideal model for you. The Craftsman V60 cordless chainsaw provides a strong all-around performance and gets the high marks for the versatility. The Craftsman V60 cordless chainsaw is a saw that can handle the wide range of tasks at the time, as it is easy to start and easy to maintain. It gives an easy to start button. It is a coil spring that stores energy. This means you do not have to pull very hard and fast for it to start. It is enough with a just simple jerk. It managed to cut smaller and medium-sized trees. Combined with the wide range of 18.70 IPS, it can work without fatigue for a long time. This chainsaw is recommended for use 16-inch bars. Also, this chainsaw uses a high-efficiency brushless motors, and it is equipped with a 2.5-inch battery that delivers you expected work time. The included V60 battery performance grants you use the product across all V60 Craftsman tools. Overall, for those who wished a chainsaw without the annoying cord that comes with the precision cutting and minimum maintenance, that would be an amazing selection for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.